Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Owusuaa. I hope you are doing very well and it's such a pleasure coming your way. As you can see, we are making chicken and meat light soup infused with carrots. It is so delicious, so come along and let's cook this. These are all the ingredients that we'll be using and I shall walk you through as we go along. Alright my lovely, so we're going to slice this carrot into strips, but before that I'm just scraping the skin off. So this is all done and we'll begin by putting our meat in a pot together with the chicken. These are all washed nicely. We go over and blend up our thyme, rosemary, garlic, Scotch bonnet and ginger, as well as onions, and pour over our meat and chicken. These seasonings go so well with the chicken soup. So first to go in is some chicken seasoning cube, and then it will be followed by anise seed, and then top it up with a little bit of cloves. I'm telling you my lovely, these three pair up so beautifully together. And I've just added some salt and I'm going to give everything a good stir and cover it. And here is a tip: if you want your chicken to really soak in the seasonings well, cover it at this stage without any additional thing and let it boil over so that it will soak in the seasonings well, and as you bite into it, it will definitely not taste bland. Now that that is done, I'll go ahead and add my tomato puree. Go ahead and tuck it underneath so it dissolves easily, and then I'll go ahead and add the rest of our vegetables. And then you want to add in the carrot as well. My lovely, I've covered it, and coming back, the vegetables are all cooked and the soup is looking just fine. Very quick recipe. We are a 17 years. Yeah, na have been. Take a look at the soup at this stage. It looks very inviting. Nane deno, it tastes so delicious at this stage as well. Okay, so I've blended everything nicely, so we'll go ahead and pour it over. And since we're going for the lighter side of soup, you want to top your soup up with enough water to make it light to start with, because it will cook down in the end. Okay, this is quite thick for me, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more water. Right my lovely, so now this is just perfect for me, so I'll go ahead and cover it. Coming back, our chicken and meat light soup infused with carrots is almost ready, and oh boy, my fufu is ready by the side. By the way, my lovely, as you can see, the soup is looking so delicious. Just take a look at this. Yes, so this is the stage where I have added the fresh basil, the akukomesa, and the sliced carrots, as well as some chilies. So let's go ahead and serve this. It looks so delicious and your whole family will definitely love this chicken and meat carrot light soup. If you really love this recipe, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Please share if you can, I'll really appreciate this, and subscribe with your bell activated, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed. Bye bye.